We're gonna build it on this house.
Decoration to make it look cute, like design it. And then use it to.
We are going to create cars which are powered by what we know as solar paint. Solar paint is a new technology which is focused on creating solar energy by basically just painting a car with normal paint. This solar paint, there are 3 types, but the cheapest and most effective is called photovoltaic paint. It is 11% more effective than solar panels.
This is called the stepper. It's a tile that when you step on it, it produces, it goes down a little bit, creating kinetic energy, which is then converted into electricity. And here we have example to put it on the Rambla, where 200,000 people walk every year.
The top problem that is in Spain currently, it's housing, right? We all understand
Access to housing.
Yeah, we all understand that in the cities, the cost of living is high. And in order to solve this problem, we decided to create this house and on the rooftop.
We're going to solve 3 types of pollution with one machine. How are we going to do this? Well, this one machine, what it does is extracts CO2 from the atmosphere.
We have to charge everything quicker, so maybe you have to look for a system to be able to do a quick charges.
We're basically seeing a lot of people without Wi-Fi and low amount of battery life, so they get lost. We made a machine that gives them free Wi-Fi and free battery life and security.
Basically, our idea is to remove all of the old telephone booths that were in Barcelona and replace them with this new idea.
Overall, I'd like to congratulate you. I think that 500,000 investment is going to be reasonable.
Thank you. It is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
These ideas, in my opinion, are absolutely great, but it wasn't on us to decide. The investors could invest into the different projects, right?
So 3rd place winners were able to raise 44 million euros for their project. Emma, Noah, Carlota, Mark, and Gian Maria.
They created an application that would help and benefit a great variety of people. Now the second group had another great idea.
It has to do with the project in La Rambla that converts kinetic energy into electric energy. So good job, Noah, Nama, Julius, and we're missing some students?
Oh, and Jenny. The first prize. This goes to a group who did background research and figured out that the biggest problem in Barcelona for the residents is affordable housing. They managed to raise 59.5 million euros, and this prize belongs to
Carla, Aitian, Bruno, Emily, and Dimitri.